The hybrid skin of season 8. Yes, we all love the skin, and today we are going to draw it. Yes, it's one of the segments that we have started back in season 7, and this time I will be only doing like the pencil illustration, and later on you guys can use any colors that you guys want to color it, because there are like different versions of the hybrid skin, so you guys can use like any colors that you guys want. It shouldn't be red, it can be any color that you guys like. So before we begin, make sure you guys smash the subscribe button and help us reach to 300,000 subscribers. We're slowly moving there. So yeah, make sure you guys go down there, smash the big red button which says subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more videos like this in the future. I will be making more of these drawings of more characters in Fortnite. So if you want to get notified, if you want to know how to draw these structures and the skins, make sure you guys stay subscribed and for more videos like this in the future. And also use code TamashaBera if you guys want to get something from the item shop. That would really be appreciated. So let's begin today's video. Make sure you guys smash the like button for the hybrid skin if you like it. So yeah, we start off with just drawing a basic structure, just like an outline. I'm just making it so that I will be able to fit the whole skin in the whole paper that I have in front of me. I'm using a regular pencil that you guys can see. I start with the face. I just make some curved lines. It's just like super basic stuff. So I start with curved lines for the head and also for the sides, like 3 curved lines and another curve at the very end. Now it's looking in that direction. That's the reason we are not going to join those 2 curves. We make his eyes. We make a V, an elongated V over here. I'm just going to use pencil because it's easier for me. So you make a V. I'm not going to go for the marker illustration. I'm just going to go for the pencil one so that everyone can easily relate the way I'm drawing. So over here I make the lines, what lines that you guys see in the game. So we make these 2 lines right over here to make it look all realistic. I mean, if you guys don't have a paper and a pencil, just go and grab it. You can watch the video from the very beginning. If you guys want to give something to your friends as a thing of friendship day or something like that, any occasion, if you guys have a Fortnite friend, you guys can draw this together and just follow the steps. So I mean, it's just very simple. I'm really happy with your views of my drawing. So I'm just doing another one, like it's the hybrid skin. We will be doing more of these skins in the future when it comes down to Fortnite. So we make the structure like the snake eggs, the dragon eggs from season 7. That's one of his logos over there. So there are like different hybrid skins. You can use the pink one, the red one, there's the blue one. You guys can use any of them. I'm just gonna go for the red one because I really like it. I like the color red. So we make the straps right over here. Boom. Like another strap right over there, making it easy. So make sure you guys don't forget to smash the like button if you guys are appreciating these type of videos. We will be making like more of these videos in the future where I will be doing sketches. So it would really be appreciated, guys. And we do it right over here. We make the arms because he is just moving his arm upward. So we make it exactly, just follow this to make his in his upper arm thing, like the razor sharp things that he is wearing. We will be doing this, a curved line, just to make those razor sharp things. So as I was telling you guys, you guys can use any colors that you guys want. So it can be anything, you can use any color. So my job is to do the basic instruction on how you can do it, and in the very beginning of the video I have used colors to show you guys how it exactly gonna look. So we make the straps right over here. Boom. Maybe at the end I can just go for simple shades with the pencil to make it easier for you guys. So we're making the hand. As you guys can see, this is the pointer finger. Then we make the middle one right over here, and the other 2 fingers join the same. As you guys can see, it's just simple few curves, and you are able to make the whole finger at one go. If you guys are are having any difficulties, I'm doing it at one go, like nothing. It was just a piece of paper and pencil. You can use your eraser if you guys want, if you guys are facing any difficulties. So it's that simple, the upper body, the lower body, and then you can improve the armor of his arm if you want to make it a little bit bigger, in the design that you want to put on the armor plate that he is having on his right arm, or the left, which is in the drawing. So don't forget to smash the subscribe button, and if you guys are getting something from the item shop, make sure to use the support a creator code TamashaBera. That would really be appreciated. So we're making the other hand right over here. Boom. For more of these Fortnite drawings, how to draw it in a very easy way, we have started the segment. We will be doing more of these skins in the future, so make sure you guys stay subscribed. We have done the Ice King skin in the last season. We have done the Lynx. We have done the many more Christmas skins. So for Christmas, people out there, people wanted to make some cards for their friends, so we did those drawings. Okay, I really don't like this hand right over here, so you know what, I'm just gonna raise it a little bit, you know, just for the sake, because there are certain times you can't just get some structure out with a pencil, so you gotta like use the different colors to give it the depth and the shade, because he's probably like, you know, folding his hands. So it's very important that you guys do it. So right over here we are making the other hand, because he has like, you know, folded it like to give it the depth. I would definitely need some colors. Now we are making his belly, so right now we are making the belts that he is wearing. Right over here, one over here, boom. Then the katana, which will be on his back. Looks easy, isn't it? So like, these are the Fortnite drawings. Like, this is amazing. The season 8 is here. We've got the volcano. We've got like so many new things in the game. So yeah, we are making the straps of the belt. Okay, this is the hybrid skin, guys. This is one of the skins that you get from the battle pass. So also we are doing a massive giveaway. If you guys want a battle pass for yourself, we are giving out a tier 100 fully unlocked battle pass. If you guys want it, put your gamer tag in the comments below, and yeah, stand a chance to win. I'm doing it on all my videos, so yeah, stand a chance, guys. Don't forget to comment your gamer tag and the console you guys play on in the comment section down below. Yep, and the socials are on the screen. If you want, you guys can follow me over there. Okay, the straps, they look okay-ish. They look okay-ish. If you guys don't want it, you can just go for the trousers, you know, like make anything. Like, it's up to you guys. You guys can follow, like, you know, what I'm doing over here. Like, it's just I mean, I started with you guys, okay? It's gonna hardly take me a few minutes to get this done. So we're making the pants, and over here he's got like some sort of armor, like shin pads or something right over here, so we can make that. All right, like V's, like the ones that you guys can see in the game. I'm just making a simple sketch so that I can make it easier for you guys. So if anything goes wrong, I'm not using the eraser that much in this video, but if that's the case, feel free to use the eraser, because no one's perfect. I'm not perfect, so you know, we're just drawing out here. I really enjoy drawing, so I was like, okay, maybe I can just put a few videos on the channel and let's see how people react to it. So I've got a pretty positive response, and that was really fantastic, and I really appreciate you guys, like, you know, showing your you know, kindness and kind gesture towards these type of videos. There are like, you know, more skins that has hit the market. We will be doing the other pirate skins. Then we've got like the Luke's, the tier 100 skin. We will be doing all the skins here in our channel. So if you guys want all of that, stay subscribed, and I will be doing more of these drawings and more tutorial videos, how to get free rewards, stuff which is going to help you out with your Fortnite. So yeah, become a part of the channel. Legendary outfit. I like it. And hybrid. I'm not gonna, like, you know, follow the fonts. I'm just gonna like write like hybrid right over here. Boom. That's the hybrid. Now here's the thing, you can start your game, you can choose any colors you want. Like for the straps, you can go with black and reds, you can go for yellows. Like, we don't have a yellow hybrid skin. Maybe you guys can try out yellow and black. That might look sick, so you guys can try that one out. There are many other options that you guys can choose. So this is like the color coding that I will be choosing, which will be red and black. So you guys can go for a shade. I'm just gonna go for a pencil shade so that I can demonstrate like how it's gonna look after you put all the colors. So if you guys are going for a shade, make sure you just keep your hands clean, because if you don't keep your hands clean, like the paper is gonna get like very dirty. So when you're drawing, and when you're like, you know, if you got your friends who are also drawing, tell them these tips, and it's gonna help them out as well in drawing these Fortnite characters. So yeah, if you guys want any help, if you guys are facing any difficulties in drawing any certain parts of the skin that I'm showing you guys over here, you guys can definitely just send me a message over any social media, or just put up a comment in the YouTube video right now, and I will be more than happy to answer your questions and help you out in my next videos. So we can also go live someday where I will be drawing some certain skins where you guys can also join and we can have fun. I mean, I do like live streams where I'm playing games and everything, answering all questions, having a nice event together, but there will be certain times I will be doing the skin. So this is how the skin is going to look like. If you guys are enjoying this video, if you guys enjoy and if you guys like this hybrid skin, make sure you guys drop a massive like down there. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel to support the channel, to help us reach to 300,000 subscribers. That would really be awesome. And also don't forget to use the creator supporter code, which is TamashaBera, in the item shop if you guys are getting something from the item shop. And if you guys are supporting me, make sure just tweet it out to me. I take a picture of you supporting me in the item shop and tweet it out to me, and I will make sure that I feature your comment on my next videos. So yeah, feel free to do that, ladies and gentlemen. This is the hybrid outfit. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to share this video with all your friends and ask them how this looks. So yeah, thank you so much guys for watching this video. I will be seeing you guys soon on my next one. Till then, you guys have a great day ahead, and goodbye. And also don't forget to check out the videos which will be appearing on the end of the screen. Bye.